Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how you can smooth skin in Adobe Photoshop or give it a plastic skin effect, which you can see on many magazines and their cover pages around. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is open a high resolution image and make sure the dimension of this image is above 2000 or 3000 pixels wide. Then you can duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+J so you don't ruin the original document. Select the top layer, then go to the filter menu, go to blur and choose surface blur. Depending on the resolution of your image, you should use something like 60 and 30 for radius and threshold. Hit OK. It will take few seconds depending on the resolution of your image. When the effect is applied, hold down the Alt key and click Add Layer Mask icon, which will add a negative layer mask. Press B for the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is white. If it is not, you can press the D key followed by the X key until your foreground color is selected white. Now it's time to increase the brush size with the brackets, and by right clicking, reduce the hardness of the brush and start painting everywhere where you can see the skin. Don't worry about the eyes, mouth, nose, etc. because we're coming back to these in just a second. So when this is done, switch your foreground color to black by pressing the X key. Make your brush size a little smaller and paint over the eyes, eyebrows, or any area you don't want to be smoothened out, like the hair, the ear, the nose, and the lips. So here's the before and here's the after. If you want, you can decrease the opacity of the top layer to make this effect look less intensive. So that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our